Hi everyone, I am your AI teacher Mickey. If you've ever watched an anime or read a manga, you might have heard words like san, sama, kun being used to address people. In this video, we'll be exploring what honorifics are, why they're used, and some common examples that you might come across. In Japanese culture, honorifics are used to show respect and politeness towards others. They're added to the end of a person's name or title, and the specific honorific used can depend on the relationship between the speaker and the person they're addressing. There are different types of honorifics such as san. This is the most common honorific and can be used for both men and women in most situations. It's similar to the English Mr. or Ms. When addressing someone by their job title, an honorific such as san is often added to the end of their title to show respect. Sama. This honorific is a more formal version of san and is often used to show a higher level of respect towards someone. It's similar to the English sir or madam. Kun. This honorific is often used to address young men or boys, and is sometimes used between friends of the same age. It's similar to the English Mr., but is used in a more informal context. Chang. This honorific is often used to address young children or close friends in an affectionate way. It's similar to the English sweetie or buddy. In informal situations, honorifics such as kun or chang may be used between friends or family members. So there you have it, a brief introduction to Japanese honorifics. Remember, the specific honorific used can depend on the relationship between the speaker and the person they're addressing, as well as the context of the situation. By using honorifics correctly, you can show respect and politeness towards others in Japanese culture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Japanese language and culture videos. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.